Hi my lovies, welcome back to another video with your girl Moya. This is Baddies in the Bag, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button, honey. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell, and be a part of the Baddie gang. Let's get into the video, y'all. Of course, y'all know we starting off with our positive quote for today. Today's positive quote is, I'm going to pick pink just because. Oh, look. Just breathe. Yes, honey. Breathe, honey, breathe. So let's go ahead and grab our cash and get our binder out and get to the stuffing. Today we have $440 that we will be stuffing into sinking funds. So here we have our cash. Let's get to the counting. So we have 50, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 320. So we have 370 right now, 380, 390, 410, 20, 30, 40. All right, so we have 440. Let's grab our sinking funds binder and get into the stuffing. All right, so here's our binder. Let's get into it. So first we starting off with birthdays, and this is just like regular birthdays. Birthdays of other people, not my birthday. So let me get my black Sharpie. We do have a birthday insert. Here we have it. So for birthday, each icon is $20. The goal is $700. So today we're adding 40. So we're going to be shading in 2 of these cakes at the top. So let's go with cake number 1. Cake number 2. And then we're going to add our $40. So we have 20, 40. And let's put back our insert. So that's $40 to birthdays. Next up we have Christmas. For Christmas we're adding $20. You know, the year just started, so let me use my highlighter this time. So Christmas insert goal for 60, each is $20. And we're adding 20 today. So we shaded in our ornament. We're gonna add our $20. So Christmas 20. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Next up we have Valentine's Day. Oh my God, Love Day. And for Love Day we're adding $40 because I don't know what me and my boyfriend's gonna do, but I just want to know that I have money for it. So each icon is $10. So we're going to shade in the 4 hearts at the top on the Valentine's Day insert. So we have 1. These are so cute. Make sure y'all place your orders if y'all like it. The link is in the description. So we have our 4 hearts at the top to put our $40 down. So we have 20, 40, Valentine's Day. Next up we have my birthday, and we're adding $200 to my $210, my bad, to my birthday because I got money for Christmas and I decided that I want to put it towards my birthday. So let's add the $210 to my birthday. So we could take up the 50 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 150, 20, 40, 50. That's what, 200? And then we can add 10. So adding the 210, let's make sure we have 210. We have 50, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. That's 150, 20, 40. That's 210. So by adding a 210 to my birthday, so we now have $270 into my birthday. Now moving on, we have graduation, which is coming up real fast. So for graduation, we're going to be adding $40 to graduation. And it also has an insert, so let's go ahead and shade in. Each icon is $20. So let's go ahead and shade in 2 of the hats. So 1, 2. 2 hats. Next up, we have car maintenance, and for car maintenance, we're going to be adding $30. So we already have some cash in there. So for car maintenance, each icon is $15. So we're going to put $30. So we're shading in 2. So we're gonna finish the little car at the top, and we're jumping into the little screws. So that's 15 and 30. So let's add our 30, 20, and 10. So now for car maintenance, we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $70. Next up, we have vacation, and for vacation, we're adding $40 to vacation. Each icon is $20. I do have $20 in here, so let's shade that. That wasn't shaded off for some reason. So we already have $20 in vacation. We're gonna shade one of the slippers, and we're adding $40. So we're going to shade 2 more. So 1, 2. So now in vacation, let's add our $40. So we have 20, 30, 40. So now we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Oh, that's why it wasn't shaded off, because it's missing $5. It's okay. We'll add the $5 to it to make it even next time we come up in this binder. And then last but not least, we have the summer envelope, and for summer we're adding $20 to summer. Each icon is $20, so let's go ahead and shade 1 in. So summer, $20. And that's it for sinking funds. That was fun. So thank y'all so much for watching the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed every moment of it, and I wish you guys the best on your cash stuffing and finance and budgeting journey, and let us all boss up together, okay?